Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a pre-owned 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT in silver. Some of the features included in your new pre-owned Grand Caravan are automatic windows, power adjustable heated side mirrors, automatic headlights with fog lights, Bluetooth ready, phone and media, hands-free steering wheel controls, cruise control, remote start, AM, FM, Sirius XM, backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, econ mode, leather interior, carpeted floor mats, heated rear seats, power windows, and enough space to comfortably seat 7 with lots of room for storage. So don't miss out on your new pre-owned Grand Caravan. Hurry in to Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our product specialists today.